I'm Richard Wells. I'm from Minter Ellison, and I'm delighted to be here at the Spark Lab series to talk about intellectual property, copyright and trademarks. So IP is a set of rights that control access to ideas and inventions. There are a whole lot of intellectual property rights, from patents and trademarks and designs which are registered through to copyrights which are not registered. One of the things that we talk about in IP is background and foreground intellectual property. Background intellectual property is the intellectual property that you bring into a deal or that you have to begin with. Foreground intellectual property is the intellectual property that's created from that or which develops from a collaboration, for instance.
IP transcends the whole of your operation, so it's in every area from your branding through to your operational side, technology and processes, through to the materials that you're using on a daily basis, so all your text and written materials. It's in your customer-facing part of your business in logos and products and in any technology that you might be selling. So it's really in everything within your business at a different degree.
You can't have copyright in an idea. You can only have copyright in the form of expression of that idea. There is no hard and fast rule around the amount of percentage of another piece of copyright that you need to change before you're not infringing. The key is that you don't take a substantial part of someone else's copyright work.
It's really important to start on day one thinking about where you're likely to be in 5 to 10 years' time, and then work out from that position what you think will be important. We then work back from that to work out what the IP rights are that are relevant to that business positioning, and then work out a plan as to how you're going to cover off that IP, including from an ownership perspective and from the perspective of protecting it through registration where needed.